Hey dancers, here's a quick tutorial for that 3-count heel twist step. So stepping forward with your heel in a rock step, I'm going to do it from the side so you can see me better. We're going to step forward 1, just with your heel, replace that foot, and up, 2, and up. Do that with me. So it's 1, and up, 2, and up. So let's just keep that motion going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and up. Once you have that rocking motion down, we're going to start to add in the twist with your heel. So instead of placing your foot forward, I want you to start with your foot with your toes pointing towards the inside of your body. As you do that 1, with your toes to the inside, bring your toes to the outside, twisting that foot before you go and up. So 2, the opposite foot comes in, toes pointed towards the inside, slowly twist towards the outside and up. So it's 1 and up, 2 and up, 3 and up, 4 and up.
Margarita, she's from Reseda. I said I'm from wherever you're going tonight.